Today we have a quick rent versus own comparison. So first column here, we're looking at renting for $2,000 a month. Second column is purchasing a $250,000 house with 5% down. Third column is a $300,000 house. And the very last column is a $350,000 house, all with 5% down. So if you look here, we've got rent versus principal paid in the first 5 years is ridiculous. So you can pay $125,000 in rent in 5 years, or you can pay down $15,000 to $20,000 in principal on a house. What's even better is if you look down just a little bit, we have the rent versus principal paid in 15 years. So in 15 years, assuming your rent's going to go up about 2% every year, we would be looking at you paying $415,000 for rent and not having anything, or having anywhere from $60,000 to $90,000 in equity. The very last breakdown here at the bottom just shows the breakdown of monthly payments with estimated taxes, insurance, monthly mortgage insurance, all included in there. So if you are able to afford a little bit higher monthly payment for that mortgage, looks like buying is much better than renting as of right now. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you soon.